Have you ever wondered why you feel so tired, look older than your peers, or lack the energy to do the things you love? Maybe you've tried everything from eating healthy and exercising regularly to using expensive beauty products, but the results still fall short of your expectations. This isn't your fault. The real culprit could be something most people overlook: hormones. Hormones are the gears that keep your body's machine running smoothly. They determine how you feel, how you look, and even the speed at which you age. When your hormones are out of balance, everything can go off track: your sleep, skin, hair, mood, and overall health. You might feel like you're losing control, and you're not even sure why. Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal the clearest signs of hormonal imbalance, the common mistakes most of us make, and, most importantly, the natural, effective ways to restore balance. Trust me, these small changes can make a huge difference in your life. 1. Signs of hormonal imbalance. One of the most common signs is unexplained fatigue. You might be getting enough sleep, but still feel completely drained throughout the day. This could be linked to an imbalance in cortisol, often referred to as the stress hormone, which is produced by the adrenal glands to regulate energy and stress responses. When cortisol levels are too high due to prolonged stress, or too low because of adrenal fatigue, your body loses its ability to recover and replenish energy. This explains why you may constantly feel like you're struggling to maintain your energy levels no matter how hard you try. Uncontrolled weight gain, especially around the belly, is another clear indicator of hormonal imbalance in the body. Two key hormones associated with this issue are cortisol and insulin. When cortisol, commonly known as the stress hormone, remains elevated for extended periods, your body tends to store fat in the abdominal area as a self-preservation mechanism. At the same time, insulin dysregulation makes it difficult for your body to manage blood sugar levels, leading to fat accumulation and persistent cravings. This not only impacts your appearance, but also significantly increases the risk of serious conditions like diabetes and heart disease. Without proper hormone balance and a healthy lifestyle, losing weight becomes incredibly challenging. Sleep issues are another common sign of hormonal imbalance. Melatonin, the hormone responsible for regulating your sleep-wake cycle, can become disrupted, making it hard to fall asleep or causing frequent nighttime awakenings. Additionally, elevated cortisol levels at night can keep your body in a state of alertness, making it difficult to relax and achieve deep sleep. When your sleep is insufficient or low in quality, your body cannot recover properly, leaving you feeling perpetually exhausted and negatively impacting your overall health. This creates a vicious cycle, where poor sleep further exacerbates hormonal imbalances. Irregular menstrual cycles are one of the most obvious signs of hormonal imbalance in women. Abnormal fluctuations in estrogen and progesterone, two key hormones that regulate the menstrual cycle, can result in symptoms such as irregular periods, severe cramping, or even missed periods altogether. Additionally, factors like prolonged stress or a nutrient-deficient diet can worsen this imbalance. Beyond its impact on reproductive health, an irregular menstrual cycle is a reflection of the body's hormonal and overall health, requiring timely attention and adjustments. Decreased libido is another common symptom of hormonal imbalance. In women, low levels of estrogen or testosterone can reduce sexual desire and cause vaginal dryness, making intimacy uncomfortable and less enjoyable. For men, reduced testosterone levels often lead to a loss of libido and related issues with sexual function. Furthermore, chronic stress and elevated cortisol levels contribute to a decline in sexual interest for both genders. This issue not only affects personal relationships, but also signals a need for hormonal adjustments and lifestyle improvements to restore balance and vitality. 2. Common mistakes when trying to balance hormones. One of the most common mistakes is consuming too many processed foods, which are often loaded with sugar and unhealthy fats. Sugar not only causes insulin, a hormone that regulates blood sugar levels, to spike, but also triggers chronic inflammation in the body. As a result, insulin imbalances lead to fat accumulation, particularly in the abdominal area, while also impairing the body's ability to balance other hormones like cortisol and estrogen. Additionally, processed foods are typically lacking in essential nutrients needed to support hormone production, making it even harder for the body to achieve balance. Replacing these foods with natural, nutrient-dense options such as leafy greens, berries, and whole grains is a crucial step in improving hormonal health. Hormone therapy, HT, can be a powerful tool for addressing imbalances, but using it without medical guidance is a significant mistake. Some people self-administer hormone treatments through unregulated products or increase doses without understanding how hormones function in the body. For example, indiscriminate estrogen supplementation can raise the risk of issues like uterine fibroids or breast cancer, especially when not balanced with progesterone. Similarly, uncontrolled testosterone use can lead to acne, hair loss, and even cardiovascular problems. Extreme dieting, particularly low-carb or low-fat regimens, can also cause severe hormonal imbalances. The body relies on healthy fats from foods like avocados, coconut oil, and chia seeds to produce steroid hormones such as estrogen and testosterone. When the body is deprived of sufficient energy or nutrients, it shifts into survival mode, reducing the production of non-essential hormones to prioritize basic functions. This can result in missed periods in women, reduced testosterone levels in men, and a host of other health issues. Dietary supplements can be helpful in improving health, but using them without understanding how they work can lead to unintended consequences. For instance, taking estrogen-boosting products unnecessarily can result in hormonal imbalances, while overusing cortisol-lowering medications can leave the body ill-equipped to handle stress. Instead of relying heavily on supplements, focus on a nutrient-rich diet and only use supplements when genuinely needed, and always under the guidance of a healthcare professional. Stress is one of the primary causes of hormonal imbalance, yet it's often overlooked. When the body experiences prolonged stress, the adrenal glands continuously produce cortisol to cope. Elevated cortisol levels not only disrupt other hormones like insulin, estrogen, and progesterone, but also negatively impact the immune system and digestion. What's more, stress doesn't just come from work or daily pressures, it can also result from overtraining or lack of sleep. Learning to manage stress through practices like meditation, yoga, or simply taking time to relax can provide the balance your body needs. The digestive system plays a crucial role in metabolizing hormones and eliminating excess ones. An unhealthy gut can reduce the body's ability to remove excess hormones, leading to imbalances. Consuming fiber-rich foods, probiotics, and anti-inflammatory foods can improve gut health and, in turn, support hormonal balance. 3. How to repair and balance hormones naturally? The good news is that you can completely restore hormonal balance naturally, without the need for complex or costly treatments. Small but consistent changes in your lifestyle, diet, and self-care routine can lead to truly remarkable results. A balanced diet is the cornerstone of maintaining hormonal equilibrium in the body. Hormones are produced from the nutrients you consume daily, so making healthy food choices is key. Incorporating healthy fats from sources like coconut oil, avocados, and nuts helps your body produce steroid hormones such as estrogen and testosterone. Additionally, fiber-rich foods like leafy greens and whole grains support digestion, aiding in the elimination of excess hormones. Reducing sugar and processed foods is also essential to avoid chronic inflammation, allowing your body to reach its natural state of balance. Quality sleep is another essential factor for the body to recover and maintain natural hormonal balance. During sleep, Your body produces melatonin to regulate the sleep-wake cycle and lowers cortisol levels, the stress hormone. A lack of sleep or poor sleep quality can disrupt this process, causing hormonal imbalances and negatively impacting overall health. To improve sleep, establish a consistent bedtime routine, avoid blue light from electronic devices before bed, and create a comfortable, quiet sleeping environment. Good sleep not only restores your energy, but also helps your body sustain optimal hormonal balance. Managing stress is one of the most critical factors in maintaining hormonal balance, yet it's often overlooked. When the body faces stress, the adrenal glands produce cortisol, the stress hormone, to help you handle challenging situations. However, prolonged stress leads to consistently high cortisol levels, which can disrupt other hormones like insulin, estrogen, and progesterone, while also negatively impacting sleep and digestion. Try stress-reducing methods such as meditation, yoga, or mindfulness practices to relax both your body and mind. Spending time outdoors, connecting with nature, or engaging in activities you enjoy can also help lower cortisol naturally. Most importantly, learn to say no when necessary to protect your mental health. A stress-free body provides a strong foundation for stable hormone function. Exercising correctly plays a vital role in balancing hormones and improving overall health. Both inactivity and overtraining can negatively affect the endocrine system. Without physical activity, the body easily stores excess fat, especially in the abdominal area, disrupting hormones like insulin and cortisol. Conversely, overtraining, particularly during prolonged high-intensity workouts, can elevate cortisol levels, reducing energy and negatively affecting other hormones like estrogen and testosterone. To achieve balance, choose appropriate exercise methods such as HIIT to boost growth hormone and improve insulin sensitivity, yoga or Pilates to relax and lower stress, or daily walking to enhance blood circulation and support hormonal balance. Proper exercise not only helps maintain physical health, but also restores the body to a natural state of balance, ensuring stable hormone function. Regulating the use of dietary supplements is essential to ensure the body receives maximum benefits without causing side effects or hormonal imbalances. Many people tend to overuse supplements in hopes of quickly improving their health, but this can lead to either excessive or insufficient nutrient intake. For example, excessive estrogen supplementation from unregulated products can increase the risk of conditions like uterine fibroids or breast cancer, while uncontrolled testosterone use may cause acne, hair loss, and cardiovascular issues. Instead of relying heavily on supplements, prioritize natural nutrient sources such as leafy greens, nuts, salmon, and chia seeds. If supplements are necessary, opt for trusted products and only use them under the guidance of a healthcare professional. Over years of research in the field of health, I have witnessed countless individuals, from middle-aged women to younger adults, struggle to maintain hormonal balance. What's truly unfortunate is that many fail to recognize the root cause of the challenges they face. They often blame a busy lifestyle, aging, or external factors, forgetting that hormones are the key drivers of the body's overall health. I firmly believe that the key to restoring hormonal balance lies in returning to simple, natural solutions that are both effective and sustainable. There's no need for complicated or expensive methods personally. I prioritize small but consistent habits that create lasting change. Starting today, even a few adjustments can make a noticeable difference, such as choosing natural foods over processed ones, focusing on better sleep hygiene, or setting aside just 15 minutes a day to relax and reconnect with your body. These small steps can lead to profound transformations over time. Thank you for staying with me through this part of the video. If you found the information I shared helpful, don't forget to hit the like button to show your support, and make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I upload a new video. If you have any questions, experiences, or thoughts about the methods I've shared, please leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your story. And who knows, your question might be exactly what someone else is looking for an answer to. Once again, thank you for taking the time to join me in today's video. Balancing hormones isn't always easy, but it's not overly complicated either if you start with small changes and stay consistent. Remember, health is a journey, and every step you take is meaningful and worthwhile. If you enjoy topics like this, I encourage you to check out other videos on my channel. There's a wealth of content about maintaining youthful vitality, improving your health naturally, and optimizing energy for daily life. I look forward to seeing you in the next video, and I wish you continued health and happiness every day.